Hi guys, today I'm going to sing you a song with this Hoover thing because it looks like a microphone, so I might as well use it. So yeah, okay, let's get started. It's called Lightning the Boy. I know it sounds weird, but that's my song. It's in my beautiful room. Oh, I just want to do an announcement before I start. So, if one of my friends see this and his name's called Sean, I'm just going to tell you that I love you, okay? Because you're my best friend. So I love you. Don't know why I've got a sock puppet. So I love you. Bye-bye. Okay, let's get started now. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's go start. You got the lightning up in the sky, but it's singing the top of the mountain. It's striking everybody. You got me up to the top, but you don't really care. It's called lightning, lightning, and it's frightening, frightening. I don't ever see, and this is you and me, but the boy is running around like it's happy time. You better love, you better touch, you better hand it over to me. I don't think I need you before you're even mistake. But I like you, I like you. But you're gonna be my babes until I'm 18. Oh, that would be my first love I've ever had. It's called lightning, lightning, and it's frightening, frightening. I don't ever see this is you and me. But the boy is running down the streets saying hello, but the lightning's striking everybody. But the boy don't care because he's not at home and he's scared, he don't know where to go. But then he was struck by the lightning. Oh baby, you got me heading in the heading of the minds. You got me singing, swinging my hips around. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Make sure you leave a comment and subscribe on this video. Bye bye.